An Italian. Massage. There's a Mexican window, whatever that is.
Yeah, I see that.
Beach hiffy, looks like coffee. Pizza. What do you want to eat?
I don't care.
What do you want to eat?
Doesn't matter. Right?
Let's go do pizza.
Alright, you still have to cross here.
We gotta go this way.
No, we can cross here and go over. We'll never get across there.
Cross here? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know with this traffic.
I guess this is the crosswalk here.
Because we have to take
Are we waiting on them to direct us or go by ourselves?
Yes.
Well, I hate to make them get up. They were working so hard. Gotta do some work now. Hold on. Oh, come on, guys. Bigger crosswalk.
Part, I thought the pole.
Drink y'all again?
Or one.
Oh. Free parking over here. Jeez. I don't know if the pizza's any good. I have no idea. Arkansas. He's here for the car show. That was for the car show. Oh, what the hell, that? Where the hell was that tag from? Dairy Queen. Oh, Italian kitchen bar. Oh. There was some kind of a penthouse down there in Savannah along the river. The guy said you could buy it for, what was it, $9 million or something like that? A top floor.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a lot of money.
Yeah.